Number 1. 1983 Chevrolet S10, $2,999, Silverton, Oregon. This 1983 Chevrolet S10 is a solid base for projects, especially with its rare 117.9-inch wheelbase, ideal for classic Chevrolet frame swaps. It has a clean California title and a brand new GM Crate 2.8-liter V6 engine, plus factory air conditioning and power steering. Only used on private land, it retains original paint with a few dents and includes a 7-foot bed with factory liner. Tires are good, and although the odometer has rolled over, the new engine adds strong value for a budget classic pickup. Number 2. 1983 Toyota Hilux Long Bed, $3,500, Portland, Oregon. This 1983 Toyota Hilux Long Bed features the legendary 22RE 2.4-liter engine and an automatic transmission, making it a dependable classic. With 186,000 original miles and a rebuilt title that passed DEQ, it runs smoothly with no leaks or warning lights. Power steering, solid brakes, good tires, and fresh synthetic oil enhance reliability. Known for durability, this Hilux stands out for its excellent running condition at a fair price. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet K20, $5,000, Pontiac, Michigan. This 1977 Chevrolet K20 4x4 is a functional heavy-duty classic with a newer V8 engine showing fewer than 50,000 miles. The 4-speed manual transmission, lockout hubs, and 410/411 gears add capability. It recently received a new clutch assembly and has a custom flatbed. The odometer is broken and rolled over, and overall condition is fair. But as a one-owner truck with solid mechanical strength, it's a worthwhile project. Number 4, 1970 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper, $7,500, Talent, Oregon. A dependable driver-level classic, this 1970 Chevrolet C20 Custom Camper carries 109,000 miles and a strong 292 inline-six paired with a 4-speed manual. Rust appears in typical areas, but the truck remains mostly original except for the rear bumper and radio. As a daily driver with good mechanical health, it offers us a solid foundation for light restoration or continued use. Number 5, 1967 Chevrolet C10, $12,500, Vacaville, California. This rust-free 1967 Chevrolet C10 is highly preserved, having been stored indoors most of its life. It's powered by a GM 350 290 horsepower crate engine and a 700 R4 transmission from Mad Dog Lou. Upgrades include a 6-row radiator, Summit carburetor, rebuilt front end, power steering, and new front drum brakes. Digital gauges, heavy-duty springs, and Cooper AT3 tires add usability. With only about 10,000 miles on the drivetrain, it's an excellent example of a well-kept classic truck. Number 6. 1962 Ford Ranchero, $12,000, Casa Grande, Arizona. This clean 1962 Ford Ranchero pairs a 170 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and shows approximately 118,000 miles. Recent upgrades include a new aluminum radiator, electric fan, shocks, exhaust, and tires. With working air conditioning and stereo, it runs great and presents very well. It's a charming early car-truck hybrid ready for regular enjoyment. Number 7. 1974 GMC 1500 long bed, $12,000, West Sacramento, California. This 1974 GMC 1500 long bed features fresh paint, a new interior, and a strong 350 V8 with an automatic transmission. Lowered on chrome rally wheels and finished with a sprayed-on bed liner, it has a clean, classic look. It also comes with an unused LS engine ready for a future swap. With no rust and a clean title, it is a versatile and attractive vintage pickup. Number 8. 1975 Ford F100 4x4, $14,000, Simi Valley, California. This 1975 Ford F100 4x4 runs, drives, and is currently registered. Powered by its original engine and a 4-speed manual, it features a desirable short bed 4-wheel drive setup. It needs a carburetor rebuild due to sitting, and the paint and interior are in fair condition. Still, its rarity and strong drivetrain make it an appealing restoration starting point. Number 9. 1977 Dodge Ram 2500, $600, Marysville, Washington. A very low-priced project truck, this 1977 Dodge Ram 2500 is non-running but mostly complete. Rust is present, yet it retains a clean title, 4-wheel drive, a V8 engine, and 90,000 miles. Ideal for someone seeking a budget-friendly classic rebuild with solid heavy-duty bones. Number 10. 1975 Ford F-250 Highboy Ranger, $14,000, Chandler, Arizona. This genuine 1975 Ford F-250 Highboy Ranger features a factory 390 V8, NP205 divorce transfer case, and long tube headers. The engine was rebuilt 17,000 miles ago and runs well with an RV cam and Edelbrock intake and carburetor. It has minimal rust and solid floors. Cosmetic flaws include a damaged driver fender and worn original seat. Missing air conditioning components and a power steering leak are noted, but overall it remains a strong-running highboy with great potential. Number 11. 1976 Ford F-350 Ranger 1-ton dually, $14,500, Airway Heights, Washington. This 1976 Ford F-350 Ranger Dually has been heavily serviced and is ready for work. It features excellent tires, a liftgate, a new carburetor, new brakes, a new master cylinder, a new power steering pump, and a 55-gallon auxiliary fuel tank. Driven only sparingly in the past year, it remains reliable and well-maintained, ideal for both business and collectors of heavy-duty vintage trucks. Number 12. 1988 Chevrolet K1500 GMT 400, $12,500, Havasu, Arizona. A first-year GMT 400 model, this 1988 Chevrolet K1500 is rust-free and accident-free with 133,000 miles. Nearly every mechanical component has been refreshed, including air conditioning, brakes, exhaust, CV axles, and more. The cab and bed are fully Line-X coated for durability. The rebuilt 700R4 transmission improves drivability. As a short bed 4x4 with extensive updates, it's a standout late 1980s classic. Number 13. 1985 Volkswagen Transporter, $12,000, Carlsbad, California. Imported from Germany, this 1985 Volkswagen Transporter uses a 1.6-liter diesel engine with about 144,000 kilometers and a 5-speed manual transmission. The body is in good shape with minor rust and faded paint. All electrical systems work. Registered in the state of Vermont, this rear-wheel drive diesel transporter offers unique European character and practical classic utility.